everyone, my name is Shruti Gautam and I am a student of class 9 civil standing here in front of all of you to present a short presentation on my holiday trip. So I along with my family were planning to go on a trip to Lumbini. It was my second time going to the Lumbini. It was as memorable and enjoyable as the first time, but maybe even more. We started our journey from 9 a.m. because I had been staying at Putwal to go to Lumbini. Some of you may know this, some of you may don't, but Lumbini is very close to Putwal, so it took us 45 minutes to reach Lumbini. As soon as we reached Lumbini, we rented a rickshaw to take us inside the temple. Our own personal vehicle wasn't allowed to go inside the temple as we hadn't taken the ticket to go inside the temple, but the rickshaw was allowed to go inside the temple without the ticket. So we rented the rickshaw. After renting the rickshaw, we went to other different type of temple instead of the main temple, Mayadevi temple. We decided to save the best for last. So first we went to Royal Thai Monastery. It was so beautiful and it basically looked like a castle. It was so huge and absolutely gorgeous. We took some pictures there and we decided to go to the next hot spots of the Lumbini. Next we went to the temple made by Germany. The temperature was rising and it was getting super hot, so it wasn't an easy journey, I'd say, as the temperature was rising a lot. So we decided to move on fast with our journey. So we next went to World Peace Pagoda. That was the name of other temple of the Lumbini monastic site. It was also super peaceful and calming and just super relaxing. So after visiting the World Peace Pagoda, we again sat on the rickshaw and decided to go make our final stop at the Mayadevi temple as the temperature was rising very much. The road to the Mayadevi temple was super bumpy and just super uncomfortable, but that uncomfortableness still made our journey super unique. After reaching the Mayadevi temple, we found out that we had to get another ticket to enter the temple. So we decided to take the ticket. It felt like an eternity to get the ticket as the counter was super crowded with the people. After finally getting the tickets onto our hands, we entered the temple. Before entering the temple, we sat on a place for about 15 minutes because we were all very exhausted from all the walking and facing the hot temperature. So we sat on a place for 15 minutes. After sitting there for 15 minutes, we entered the temple. Inside the temple, it was so beautiful and relaxing. I felt like I had entered something like heaven. I really enjoyed it. After visiting the temple, we decided to return from Lumbini. The trip after visiting the Mayadevi temple, our trip ended. The trip may have ended, but those moments will be forever cherished in my memories. Thank you.
My name is Pranuj Salagai. Today I am here to give a short presentation about my holiday trip. My holiday trip in Chitwan. And this trip was organized by my classmate friends and teacher. This trip was of 3 days. At first day we start our trip from Thimi Bhaktapur to Chitwan. It takes 4 to 5 hours to reach there. After reaching there, we book a hotel, and after having dinner, we go to sleep. At second day, we wake up and have breakfast. After having breakfast, we go to visit some places. We also go to Chitwan. There were many animals, and after visiting places, we back to hotel. After hotel. After visiting place, we back to hotel and have rest. At third day, we wake up and pack our bags and sit in bus and back to Thimi. It was a great opportunity to go there with my classmate friends and teacher. Thank you.
A warm good morning to everyone presented here. My name is Smriti Adhikari from grade 9 civil, and I'm really glad that our English ma'am Sumita teacher gave me this golden opportunity to share my holiday trip. So I would like to start my holiday trip by like this. So on April 16, I went to Lakhuri Banjang, which is located at Kundu, with my football coach and some of my football team. It was a very fun time but tiring at the same time. We started our short hike at 6 a.m. and we all started our hike with a cup of black tea. As we started our hike, we started to enjoy our moment. We could see the green forest and some birds, insects, and it was a very fun time. It took us about 4 hours to reach Lakhuri Banjang. We were amazed by the beauty of Lakhuri Banjang. We were busy capturing the breathtaking view of Lakhuri Banjang. Thank you.
My name is Soren Deola. I'm from class 9 civil of Sri Padma Secondary School. Today I'm going to speak about my holiday trip to Pokhara. We started at 8 o'clock. We first went to Gorkha and then to Pokhara. We had hired a tourist bus. On the first day we went to Gorkha. We had took multiple breaks, so it took us an entire day to get to Gorkha. On day 2, we first went to visit a temple on top of a mountain of Gorkha. After we came back, we ate breakfast and went to another temple, which was named Fogdandi Shiva Temple. On the way down from the temple, we happened to see Ganesh Pagoda. After we saw Ganesh Pagoda, we went back to the hotel. Packed our bags and again made our way to Pokhara. After we got to Pokhara, we settled down at the hotel and went exploring towards the cities. We were astonished by all the new things that we found, such as the beautiful lakes of Pokhara. On day 3, we went shopping. We ate multiple things and also bought we ate multiple things and bought multiple accessories from Pokhara. And that same day we made our way back to Kathmandu. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Preeti Shrestha from class 9 civil. Today I'm going to tell about my travel to Buddha temple and Somnath temple. First of all, I woke up and have a breakfast. Recently I went there with my whole family and we took a car. I saw many birds and animals of different species by car. And after some minutes, we stopped the car and buy some food, juice, etc. And we again start to go. We finally reach at Boulders. It takes 2 hours time to reach, and we saw big Boulders gate and we entered the Boulders gate. I saw many monkey in there and I took some photos of monkey too because that was too lovely. And we start to screw that temple 3 times. My mother and aunts go to buy some ice cream and bubble tea. After finish that, we take some rest and took some photos. And we decided to go to Soimnath temples, and we took a bus again. And we reached there at 3 p.m. We take some rest, and my father told me that Soimnath is one of the oldest religious architecture and one of its kind. I became shocked, and my young brother gave chocolates to me and to my sister. And when my sister going to eat that, monkey snatched the chocolates, and my family were so excited as I was. It was my pleasure to have an opportunity. And those memories are best memories in my life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am from grade 9 civil. Today I am telling about my holiday trip. I woke up at morning 4 a.m. and I took bath. We were going on Mananganna temple. We booked our van and then we reached at our room at 4 a.m. At 5 a.m. we sit in bed and we went towards Mananganna temple. We reached there at 11 a.m. After reaching there, we took tickets of cable car. We stayed in line for 1 hour, and we went on cable car. After going there, we went towards temple. We sit in line for 1 hour, and we do that over there, and we went on hotel to take a meal. After taking meal, we went towards cable car. There we take ticket and we climb on cable car. After thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Josie Shrestha. I am currently studying in class 9 civil. Today I am going to talk about my holiday trip on Chitwan. Chitwan contains different white places to visit. Chitwan is an incredible destination worth exploring, showcasing and breathtaking natural wonders. To have positive.
Hello, my name is Bhupendra Rajvanshi. I am the student of class 9 civil in Padma Secondary School. I am here to deliver a speech about my Pokhara trip, which was organized by my father. At day 1, we woke up at 7:49 a.m. And we had some refreshment activity, including brushing teeth, washing face, and so on. After that, we had our breakfast at a restaurant, and after that we visited Pheva Lake, which is the most iconic landmarks in Pokhara. It is one of the most popular place where every visitor must visit. It is people come here for boating for 5 to 10 minutes. After boating 5 to 10 minutes, we went to Barai temple. It is structured as an island of the Pheva Lake. People come here to worship Lord Barai, which is a Hindu temple. This is a Hindu temple, with the Hindu religious temple, which everyone Hindus come here for the blessing for goddess Barai. After that we come back to our hotel room and have some relaxation. After 1 to 2 minutes, we had our lunch. After lunch, we went to David Fall. After lunch we went to David Fall, which is also one of the most iconic landmarks in Pokhara. It is surrounded by the nature. It gives a next level vibes to whoever visit there. The day David Fall came for the tragic incident involving a foreigner tourist Dave David who fell out from the waterfall and drowned. After that incident, Dave David fall came all of the flood. Before that, it was called Patle Sango, which in Nepali meaning is called Norgako Chauralo. It simply we can call Nether fall or Nether won't fall. After that we went to a bat cave, known for its large amount of population of bat. It's a dark cave. It's a dark cave and with a unique rock formation inside the cave. It is one of the most popular place where every visitor must need to visit once. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. It's me Amir Bujal from Grade 9 Civil. Today I am going to deliver a short essay on the topic of a holiday trip. I had been a Pokhara holiday trip with my family. It is one of the best beautiful places in Nepal. There were so many adventurous activities and historical places. First of all, we go to famous lake of Pokhara, Phewa Lake. Phewa Lake is one of the most popular lake in Pokhara. It is the second largest lake of Nepal. I offer surfing, awesome view of a lake. I did boat riding with my family. The next spot place is Sarangkot. There are so many hills. From there, I take a awesome view of that hills. There was next one. The Peace Pagoda Temple. It is a Buddhist temple. Mahindra Cave is a limestone cave. Limestone cave which is visited by many people. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bimal Shrestha from class 9 Civil. I am going to talk about a trip of Listi. Listi is the temple of Sindhuvajok. It lies Jugal Himal. The Listi is so beautiful place in Sindhuvajok. Listi is famous for the